the scorer.
As in daylight. Oh, that is a good hit. Wonderful use of the feet, and he's got himself 6. That's connected beautifully.
Finally opening the account as far as sixers are concerned. Yes, he needs to bat through, no doubt about that. Coming down the ground, a calculated one, and coming down. Let's see what he can do.
That's through, and it's going to run away. Or has he just pulled it back? They'll require to have a look. No, they've already given it as 4. It's been signaled as 4. Crucial 2 more balls. Well, he's placed it marvelously well. That's going to be another boundary. This man's got some talent, great skill.
And in the end, the Strickels over the boundary rope. What an over this has been. This could be another turning point in this.
Feeling that it might be that day. That's gone. What a shot that is from Nasir Hussain. Pure attitude.
Yeah, Nasir is still there, and he can truly make a difference. Look at that. There was acres.
Full toss. Crashes it to the boundary. He doesn't misses them. If he goes back. Don't think so. What a shot. That gets so much time. Anything the pitch will put you away for a boundary. What a lovely shot that is, under pressure, and an important boundary.
And the silence tells you the rest of the story. The crowd just stunned themselves in silence whenever.
What a shot that is. It was beautifully bowled. It was in the block hole, but he played it late, opened the face of the bat, and picked up a very, very important boundary.
And this shot tells you the complete story. The ideal delivery of the modern day cricket, but he was so ready for that, just glided that one on the right, that bat or not, but it doesn't really matter now. Formality.
Well, he hit that dead straight and not letting it go, the fielders. It has been an excellent effort. Fantastic effort from the local side. Khulna Royal wins it. They beat Rangpur Riders by 9 runs. It has been a close match, but a treat to the fans. They came in big numbers and they were treated to